Good day, ma'am. I am Jillian Jolovigal Valores, and before I will start, um, I I just want to say thank thank you for uh, this semester, ma'am, and I am very thankful that you are our instructor for this subject, and see you around, ma'am. Then, um, in our ethics subject, mom, I learned that ethics means knowing what the right and wrong and making good choices in life. And it taught me to respect others, be honest, and think before you act. And I also learned that our actions affect other people, not just ourselves. And then this subject helped me become a better person, and I will use it um, what I learned in my daily life. And then that's all, ma'am. Thank you.